Hello, welcome to Maths video class 6th. Quick revisions of 18, 19 and 20 chapters children because time is very less. Also, first unit test portion you all know very well. So, chapter 1, 11 and 12. And if I'm not wrong, because at present I don't have the record. So, but the revision was already taken for first unit test, so you can go through that revision once again. For explanation part, please go through previous videos. Those who have joined recently, please go through my previous videos for detailed explanation. Okay, this is just an explanation, this is just brushing up. Okay, because in detail if you need, you have to go through previous videos. So exercise 18a, express each of the following statements in algebraic form means you have to write it in numerical form. For example, the sum of 2 and x is greater than y. So sum of means plus. So 2 plus x is greater than y. You can see 2 plus x greater than sign. See, sum means plus. So sum of 2 and x, that is 2 plus x, is greater than y. If you'll see z decreased by 3x, z is decreased by 3x is equal to y. So the way it is given here, the way you have to write it here. Okay. So 12 times of x. 12 times x means 12 multiplied by x, which is 12x, is less than 5z. Okay. So these way you have to write it. And now for each of the following algebraic expressions, write a suitable statements in words. So this you have to write it in this form. This you wrote in this form. So this you have to write it in this form. So this, how you'll write: the sum of 3x and 8 is equal to 15. Right? I hope you are understanding. 7 minus y is greater than x. 2 times y minus x is smaller than 12. 5 divided by z is equal to 5. The sum of 8 and 2b is greater than 18. So this way you have to write it. So the sum of 16 and 2a minus x is greater than 25. The way you speak, the way you have to write. Okay, the constants and variables. What are constants? Constants are related to numbers because numbers never change. And variables is related to small alphabets A to Z. Okay, always write alphabets, small alphabets. So if you will see exercise 18b, you can see separate constant and variables. So 6, 5 by 4, 0 is a constant, and the one which have alphabets A to Z, Y, X, here you can X, Y, Z, P, X by Y, X, Z by Y. So these are all variables. Okay. So the one which are now in numerical form, they are constants. Which have variables, they are variables. Which have alphabets, they are variable. So group the like terms. Like terms, see here x, x, x. So these are all like terms. First group of like terms, y, y, y. So 1, 2, 3. Second group of like term. Here xy, yx. xy, yx means same. xy, yx, and here yx. So 1, 2, 3. First group. This is the second group. So you can see this and this first group, and this second group. Similarly here also. State true and false we are not doing. The number of terms in each of the following expression. So number of terms 1, 2. See, if now terms are only separated with plus and minus sign. Multiplication and division sign do not separate a term. Okay. So it all depends on plus and minus sign. If see, there is one sign, so two sums. So two terms. If here if you can see here, one plus sign, minus sign is there, or any other plus sign is there? No. Means officially only one sign is there. So two terms. Why? 8 by x, 8 by xb plus c. So 1 and 2. X plus y divided by a. Only one plus sign is there. So again two terms. This one and two term. Here also 1. So 1 and 2. Here also, here 2. 1 and 2. So 1, 2 and 3. So 3 terms are there. Here 1, 2. We have to check only plus or minus. So 1, 2 means 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You cannot separate by multiply or division sign. Here also 1 and 2 because my 1 minus sign is there. Here xy, here there is no minus or plus sign. So what you will do here? There is no plus or minus sign means there is only one term. There is no plus and minus sign means there is only one term. This will be written as xy upon 2. So plus 1 and 2 means 1, 2 and 3 terms. Okay. For each of the expression given below, state whether it is a monomial, binomial or trinomial. So one term means monomial, two terms means binomial. Again one term, 2x upon y, monomial, monomial. So here you can see 1, 2, 3. So trinomial. 1, 2 binomial, 1, 2, 3 trinomial, 1 and 2. Because division doesn't separate. So 1 and 2. So binomial. 1, 2, 3 trinomial. Write down the coefficients of x. Coefficients of x means the one which is there with x. So coefficient of x here is 1. Do not write x again, okay, in exam. Minus x means minus 1. Minus 3x means minus 3. My coefficient of x other than x, whatever is there, that minus 5a. Again, what other than x, whatever is there, 3 by 2 y. Sixth, other than x, whatever is there, a by y. Okay. Again, write the coefficients of x in minus 3xy square. Leave x and whatever is remaining, write that. So minus 3y square is left. So you can see same way we have seen in previous videos also. Okay. Degrees we'll discuss. State the numeral coefficient. If you have any doubt, please ask me here. Okay. State the numerical coefficients of the following. Numerical means number. Numerical means related to numbers. So 5, 2 by 3, 1, minus 15 by 2, 5, minus 7, minus 2, minus 3 by 2. Minus sign will be there with the numerical coefficient. Write the degree. Degree means the highest index. Okay, so 2, here 20, here z is 3, here 3 plus 2, 5 and here 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So we say that the degree is 6 here. Okay. So here also 2, 1. So which is the degree? 2. Here 1, 3. 3 is highest. So 3. So 2x. So x 7 plus 2, 9. So 9 is the degree. So 2, 3 and 9. So 9 is the highest. So 9 is the degree. So 3, 8 and 10. 10 is the degree because 10 is highest. Here 2 plus 1, 3. 2. 2 plus 5, 7. So 7 is highest. So 7 is the degree. Okay. So I hope you have understood. So next chapter, fundamental operations. You can see we can only, these are the fundamental operations, plus, minus, multiplication and division. Addition, we can only add we can only add like terms or we can only subtract like terms. And you know till now what are like terms and what are unlike terms. Okay. So here 2a and 4a are like terms because a and a is there. If a square is also there and a is there, they are unlike terms. AC. So they should be exactly same. AC. Then I can add them. Okay. Then what was important was this chart. Plus, what to do? Plus. And which sign will come? Plus. Plus, minus and minus, plus. You have to subtract and sign will come of greater number. Okay. Minus you have to add and sign will come of minus. So I had given this. Okay. So what's important is exercise 19a. So you'll see here these two are like terms. Okay. Then I can add. So 8 plus 3, 11 and xy. Here you can see directly I've shown. Okay. This I'll show you. Minus 3b plus minus b. Minus 3b. Now see here. Minus 3b plus minus b. So before bracket plus is there. So this sign will remain as it is. So minus b. So minus plus. So 3 plus 1, 4 minus and sign will come of minus. Okay. Minus 4b. So similarly here also all are like terms. I can add them. So when all are negative, I have told you when all are negative, add them and put sign of minus. So here all are negative. You can see minus. So add them 2, 3 plus 3, 6 and put sign of minus. Okay. So 12th one also you can see, add them, whatever are negative add them, whatever are positive add them and subtract them. So here you will see only one is positive, rest are negative. So 5b, so see 5b minus 4b, 1b minus 10b, this is also there, and you can add all the positive, add all the negative, and you can subtract them. Okay, so here in this case, now this is another type of question. 2a plus 3a plus 4b, add only like terms, so 2 plus 3 5a, and rest keep it as it is. If they are not getting added or added or subtracted further, you have to accept that as the answer. So 3x plus 2y, you cannot add or subtract, so you have to keep this as an answer. Here also same thing, here also same thing. You can see these two are like, so add them, rest keep as it is. Okay, so evaluate, same thing, add all the positives, add all the negatives, and subtract them. And this we have already discussed. Always remember, subtract the first term from second. Always second term you have to write first and then subtract the first term. Okay, then simplify. Simplify what I had told. For simplification, what you have to do is segregate the like terms. Like terms means, you know, same type of same types of terms. So a square b square, so all a square b square terms should be separated, all ab square terms should be separated. Now I have separated this, here also it has been separated, so 8 plus 2 10, 5 minus 3 2. Don't forget this plus, otherwise 1 mark will be cut. So here also segregate all a's, a 4a minus 2a plus 3b minus b. So segregation according to like terms have been done. 4 minus 2 2, 3 minus 1 2 plus. Okay, so you can see same way we have to solve rest of the questions also. Now exercise 19b, find the sum of these polynomials. So row method I had told you that plus plus plus. Okay, so first you put plus in between. This is first polynomial, second polynomial, third polynomial according to the question. Then what is, just open these brackets. So before bracket plus is there, so no issues, copy as it is, no changes. So here also copy as it is, then segregate like terms, bring all a, b, see these are all a, these are all b, these are all c, and then do the calculation. So 3 minus 5 minus 2 minus 2 plus 4 2, 4 plus 3 7, 7 minus 2 5, 7 minus 6 1, 1 minus 4 minus 3. When I say 5, it means plus 5. Okay, so what you have to do is just like that. Column method I have told, same way. Arrangement has to be done. Below A all A, below B all B, below C all C according to their respective sign. Just solve it. 7 minus 6 1, 1 minus 4 minus 3. 4 plus 3 7, 7 minus 2 plus 5. 3 minus 5 minus 2 plus 4 2. Okay. So rest also same. Always see that all like terms should come in under 1. If any term is missing, write 0 or keep that space empty. Okay. Then the question was, then subtraction. So here in this case, you could see that here there was no a, right? So here was plus, yeah, plus b cube, and there was no a here, so doesn't matter, keep that space empty and write and do accordingly. Okay, next third one is evaluate. This is before bracket. If before bracket minus sign is there, then change all the signs inside. So 3a minus a plus became minus, so 3 minus 1 2 minus 2b. Okay, so same way minus x, if you'll see minus x, this plus became y because before bracket minus it. Then segregate the like terms and get the answer. So like this you have to, this is my WhatsApp number. Still those who have not contacted, please contact and please do the things. Okay, thank you so much.